Welcome. In this video, we'll break down the basics of virtual networking in Microsoft Azure, including virtual networks, subnets, and peering in simple terms so you can understand how cloud infrastructure communicates securely. What is a VNet? Think of a virtual network, or VNet, as your private network inside the cloud. Just like a traditional office network, it lets your resources such as virtual machines, databases, and applications communicate with each other securely. A VNet isolates your environment from others, meaning only resources you allow can access it. You define an IP address range, control traffic flow, and apply security rules. In simple words, a VNet is the foundation of all networking in Azure. What are subnets? Inside a VNet, you can create subnets, which are smaller network segments. Imagine your VNet as a large building and subnets as different departments inside it. For example, one subnet for web servers, one for databases, one for backend services. Subnets help organize resources, improve security, and control traffic. You can apply different rules to each subnet so that only certain systems can communicate with others. What is VNet peering? Now, let's talk about VNet peering. Peering connects two virtual networks so they can communicate as if they were one network. This is useful when you have separate environments like dev and production. You want networks in different regions to talk. You need to connect different departments or projects. Peering is fast, secure, and uses Microsoft's private backbone network, not the public internet. To summarize, VNets are your private cloud networks. Subnets organize and secure resources inside them. Peering connects multiple networks together. Mastering these three concepts gives you a strong foundation in Azure networking. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more cloud learning videos.